And the winner is, congratulations, Toyota of Scranton.
Greg Gregorek, the president of Toyota of Scranton, leads his team on stage at Lackawanna College to humbly accept the SAGE Award for Best Practices in Community Involvement. The award recognizes a business that demonstrates a commitment to community involvement and philanthropy as part of its core values.
We meet so many wonderful people in our community who are touched by tragedy and opportunity, and they're doing what they can to make a difference. They're saying, let me do a run, let me throw a gala, let me throw a basketball tournament. Those are the heroes. They make a difference every day and they give back, and it's our humbled honor to be there when they need someone to step up.
We're ecstatic. It's an honor to win, but being a finalist was good enough.
Toyota of Scranton sponsored more than 200 organizations in 2015, including the donations of a 2015 Toyota Camry police cruiser and 5 brand new police bikes to the Scranton Police Department, plus the giveaway of a 2015 Toyota Tacoma fire truck to the Scranton Fire Department.
We are afforded the luxury and freedom of being able to enjoy this event because of those who have served, and it's of paramount importance to me and all 140 employees of Toyota of Scranton to give back in a small way.
In winning this award tonight, Toyota of Scranton says it couldn't have done it without the dedication and commitment of its employees.
It should be a source of pride for them and validation for all their hard efforts and how many nights they got up, they stayed home late, or how many mornings they went in early to give back. Whether it was, working on a farm or delivering food to people in need. They work so hard all year long that this really is a source of pride for them.
The SAGE Award stands for Scranton Awards for Growth and Excellence. There were more than a dozen categories. Each category included 3 nominees. All of the nominees and event sponsors got to enjoy a catered reception inside the VIP lounge, courtesy of Toyota of Scranton.
The idea of tonight is not just celebrating the winners of the various categories. It's shining a spotlight on the nominees and all of the successful businesses, and there are so many of them here in Lackawanna County, that it shows that Lackawanna County is moving forward in a very positive way. We've got a great and vibrant economy and a great and vibrant society.
A society that the nominees are proud to call home.